time to go back to your starlight world now.
Bitch is gonna fly.
Hey, I said it's time to go into a starlight world now.
I'm too scared.
It's your cage. You'll like it in there.
Bowie.
Come on. Come on. Come on, little baby bird. You know how you want it. You know you want to go.
Bowie, look at the wall.
Here, just knee down,
I know
and put him really
he's gonna
close.
flap away like a mad thing.
He won't know.
He knows. He's smart. Oh, jeez.
Get in the cage, motherfucker. Here, I'll give you food. I'll give you anything. It's going in the places you will never know. Oh, he's mad now. This is why you don't let the bird out of the cage when it's not yours. Oh, Lord.
What's it doing?
Eating your hair.
Bowie.
It's eating your dreads.
Bowie.
It's eating your dreads. Okay, let's go. This isn't funny anymore, you stupid bird.
Okay.
Okay, no, now you're scaring him.
No, did you see Brian last time? The bird was freaking out.
Really? No, I didn't. I never seen him do it. I need to have a glove on or something. Bird trainers are supposed to have gloves. Here, let me have like one of your...
I'm scared of hurting him.
Yeah, but this time he's trying to hurt you.
Oh.
Let me have like one of your scarves or something and I'll just grab him. Please, I'm scared.
I'll do it. I got a plan.
Okay, just put him in the hoodie. Just wrap him up.
Just wrap him up like a little baby.
I'm so scared right now. But
Don't you fly, bugger. Look at you.
Look at you going into the cage, aren't you?
Okay.
Let's go. Have yourself a lovely time. Goodbye now. Oh Lord, no. Oh Lord Jesus, no. Oh no.